Then now what we have is, we have one plate which is full of charge up to saturation limit. I'm representing this plate in this way. This is my plate. This is just tilted face. I'm representing it from the sidewise. This is my high tension source, and here we have filled charge. Like, this is the maximum amount of charge this plate can have. On the second stage, what we do, we place an uncharged, this is an uncharged plate in its vicinity. What will happen now? We have already learned the process of transfer of charge by the process of conduction and induction. Here, what will happen? Its equal and opposite charge will get induced on this side, and its equal and similar charge will get induced on the opposite side, right? Now, due to the presence of positive and negative both type of charges inside the system, the potential will decrease. V is directly proportional to Q, and that is how we derived the formula Q is equal to C into V, right? Potential has decreased, so its capacitance has increased. Or I mean, if you just see that this, if you just look at this formula, what you get is charge is directly proportional to potential. Potential has decreased. That means you can give more charge to the system. That means this plate can absorb more positive charge, and hence its more negative charge will get induced in this plate, second plate, and hence its more positive charge will get induced on the exterior side. This process will continue till both the plates have reached their saturation limit. What can happen now? We started with one plate, we gave it charge to its maximum limit, we brought another plate uncharged close to its space, it got charge induced in its body, and khatam karo lecture.